Hi guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about Judge Ratha. Something happened in court that left us like laughing so much as the nation as we were watching because we were like, "Aibo, Cinderella, what's this?" We were like, "Cinderella, what is this?" So in court, yesterday's moment in court was absolutely telling. Absalom Zungu made a comment about corruption in the court proceedings, and Judge Ratamu Kwateng reacted in a way that shocked everyone watching. Instead of seeing clarity, he jumped straight to, "Are you saying I am corrupt? Me. I understand that the word court can be used loosely. Are you saying me? Okay, guys, let's break it down. Let's break down why the reaction is so revealing. Because why? Wow, Sanalam. First of all, what Zungulu actually said when Absalom Zungu spoke about corruption, he wasn't pointing fingers at the judge directly. He was talking about the system, the process, and what went through before he ever stepped into the courtroom. He was questioning all of that. He was questioning all of that. He even claimed it. He even clarified it immediately. But it didn't matter because Judge Rata had already taken it personal, very personal, if you ask me. So let's talk about Judge Rata's reaction. Now, where Now, here's what everyone was thinking. If the judge truly believed he wasn't corrupt, why did he react like someone who felt accused? Why? Why was he feeling like you are accusing me of something? Why did he take that to heart like that? Why did it pressed him? Why did the shoe fit so tightly that he had to defend himself? Why? Because he was sounding more defensive than anything else. Even even when no one was talking about him directly, he needed clarity, clarify that for me kind of vibes. A confident, secure presiding officer would have simply said, "Explain what you mean." Why did he make it about him? Instead, Rata made himself the center of the comment. I go see him, yo. Anyway, what the reaction reveals left me like, wow, Judge Rata. Right? Sir? This isn't the first time the judge is reacting emotionally. He often personalizes objections, criticism as an attack, reacts defensively to witnesses, turns simple comments into confrontations. But the role of a judge is not to protect their ego. It is to ensure fairness, calmly and professional, which Judge Rata does not. He lacks all of that. He can't. He's unable to do that. He fails dismally when it comes to that. Now, the deeper question. Here is the real issue, okay? Zungu made a comment about corruption in the system, and the judge acted like the accusation was directed at him personally. Why? Was it insecurity, a guilty conscience, a fear of how public views his conduct? I don't know. I'm just asking questions because I did not understand. Because if he truly knew he wasn't corrupt, he wouldn't have been so pressed. Why was he pressed? Even me, I'm not saying that Judge Rata is corrupt. I'm not saying any of that. I'm just asking questions, simply asking Woodsie, why was he pressed by all of this? Why did it got to him? Why it made him so emotional? And even his expressions, they were telling Woodsie he's not happy. He took that very deeply. And now the question is why? Why make this all about you like that, Nohal? That was very unprofessional of him, if you ask me. That was very unprofessional of him. And at this point, every time he does his reactions, he's showing his capacity for emotional intelligence. That's what he does. He keeps exposing himself time and again. And this is what happens with people that are not willing to be corrected, that think they know everything, that think they are better than everyone, that think they are the center of everything, that think you are all stupid around here. I'm the only one who's smart. This is what happens to them. They end up exposing themselves. They end up exposing themselves because they don't think rationally about things and situations. I was so shocked with Judge Ratta's behavior. I do not want to lie. I was really shocked with how he handled that situation. I am still trying to figure out how did he get to where he was with that entire situation. If Ratta truly believed he had done nothing wrong, he wouldn't have reacted that way, as though the comment hit a nerve. Zungu was talking about a corruption in the system, which everyone is talking about currently. Mkhwanazi made comments about it, and it's exposed out here right now. So why is he making that about him personally? Why the need to defend himself? Zungu was talking about the corruption in the system, and yet the judge behaved like someone who felt accused. Why was he doing that? That alone is a problem, because it raises questions. Why did the shoe fit so perfectly that the judge felt the need to defend himself? Why did he have to do that? And a judge who is not neutral in his reactions, a presiding officer, should never make a moment about himself, yet Ratta positioned himself as the victim of Zungu's statement or commentary, even though Zungu wasn't talking about him. It's a pattern we've seen repeatedly on Judge Ratta. He takes objections personally, he takes criticism personally, he takes witness frustrations personally, but justice is not about how the judge feels. It's about the fairness of the process, and the entire situation becomes unfair. It becomes very unfair. A judge who feels accused even when he isn't. A secure, confident judge simply says, explain what you meant by that. But Ratta went straight into defense mode, and that defensive instinct says more than Zungu's words ever could. It shows a judge who is uncomfortable, sensitive, and perhaps aware that the public perception around this trial has already shifted long time ago. Long time ago, people have said a lot of things about him. He knows this. He knows his behavior. He knows. Why is he so pressed then if he doesn't know his behavior is problematic? Why he acts so pressed? That's a question, a fair question, Nohad. At the end of the day, the trial has exposed more about the judge's temperament than anyone expected. And reaction like yesterday's one, strengthened the perception that he's not as neutral as he should be. That's what it says. Let me know in the comments, did the judge overreact yesterday? And what does that say about the state of this trial? Because wow, Judge Robert. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and keep following the latest in the Senzo Meyiwa trial, because this channel, Noni M, is going to bring all of that for you. Thank you so much. I will see you on our next video. Bye-bye.